Hey friends, it's Miss Magwad and I'm back with another science trivia video. So before we get into it, I just want to remind you guys that these are optional bonus videos. So there's no need to do them. They're not mandatory or required. These are only for fun if you miss science or you want to play a fun game with me. Okay? Second thing, I know I look weird. I'm gonna tell you why. Because you probably already know. It's because I don't have my glasses on. And the reason for that is because I noticed that I get a really distracting glare in my glasses when I record videos, and I don't want you or me to be distracted. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This right here. I'm not a fan of it. I don't know if you are, but I'm going to maybe record a lot of these videos with my glasses off to avoid that glare. So I hope that's okay with you. I'm the same old Miss Magwad, so hopefully you can forgive my not wearing glasses. All right. And the next thing we're going to talk about is our competition. So if this is your first time tuning in, we actually have a really fun competition that we have going. If you want to participate, then I'll tell you a little more about it later. But for now, I want to give our awesome science leaders a shout out. So host Sway, you got 5 points. Roynell, 6 points. Alexander, you got 6 points. Abdi, you got 5 points, and Cece, you got 6 points. Congratulations, guys. Give your brains a big fat kiss. Awesome job, and thank you so much for participating and reporting your score. So if you want to be like these awesome scholars, just stick around and I'll explain more about it. So how my science videos work is that I pick a science topic and I find questions related to that topic. My questions are usually not things that you know about or that you've learned in class. These are more cool, fun facts that I found out about that I want to share with you guys. So if you find yourself not knowing the answer to a lot of these questions, that is okay. That is exactly how the game is designed. After I ask you these questions, I'm going to count down on my fingers 5 or 10 seconds, depending on how hard the question is. By the end of my countdown, you should have said your answer out loud, or you should have written down your answer. At the end of my countdown, I'm going to tell you what the correct answer is. If you are keeping track of your points, then one correct answer is equal to 1 point. You don't necessarily need any materials for this. If you feel like you work better when you write your answers, or you want to keep track of your scores, or both, you can stop the video right here to get a paper and a pencil. Pause it. Did you pause it? You got your stuff? Okay, good. But otherwise, if you don't want to keep track of your score or you feel better saying things out loud, then you don't need any materials at all. Today's topic is all about sound, which I know we've learned a lot about in class already. Hopefully, these will be new things that you are learning today or things that you might be reviewing. And it's going to be structured as a true or false. So I'm going to give you a statement like the sky is red. I'm going to count down on my fingers. If you think what I'm saying is correct, you're going to say or write true. If you think what I'm saying is incorrect, you're going to write or say false. So true for true, false for not true. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Our first true or false statement is, you can hear sounds in space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's false. You cannot hear any sounds in space. It's a different environment than where we live on Earth, so you actually can't hear sounds like you can hear sounds here. Next question is, flies can't hear anything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is true. So flies, even though they make a lot of noise, you hear them buzzing around, they actually can't hear anything. So they save themselves the trouble. Next one. I wonder if you guys will get this one. This one's a little tricky. Just kidding. True or false? Sound is caused by True or false? Sound is caused by vibrations. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is true. I hope you remember that from when we learned science. Okay. True or false? A whale's voice can travel 200 miles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is false. A whale's voice can travel almost 500 miles. What? Right, next one. True or false? A baby cries louder than a car horn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is true. Wow. If you have a younger baby brother or sister at home, maybe you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you're like, yeah, they definitely do cry louder than a car horn. Next one, true or false? A tsunami wave crashing is the loudest natural sound on Earth. What do you guys think? A tsunami wave crashing is the loudest natural sound on Earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is false. It's not a tsunami wave crashing. It's actually a volcano erupting. That is the loudest natural sound on Earth. All right, friends, this is our last question. True or false? If you try to say all the letters of the alphabet without moving your lips or your tongue, they would all sound the same. So, if you try to say all the letters of the alphabet without moving your lips or your tongue, they would all sound the same? What do you guys think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That one is true. I actually had a lot of fun testing it out. You can test it out too. So I'm not going to move my mouth or my tongue. I'm going to try to say all the letters of the alphabet. Eh, 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 a, eh, 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 eh. Does that sound the same? Do they all sound the same? All the sounds I'm making? Yeah. Confirmation. Eh. You could try it. Try it. It's actually really, really funny. All right, friends. That was the last question that we had. So if you want to participate in our competition, then you are going to add up all of your points that you got correct. Remember, one correct answer equals 1 point, and then you're going to comment it down below. You can also comment a nickname or your regular name next to the amount of points you have. Otherwise, I'm just going to use your YouTube name. If you don't want to participate in the competition, but you still want to comment down below, you can tell me what your favorite fact from today was. You can tell me what science topic you want for the next video, or you could just say hi because I miss you guys. But other than that, that is all for today, friends. I miss you guys so much. You know you're super awesome. Thank you guys for growing your brain. I love seeing all the work you're putting on Seesaw. And have a good day. Bye.